And in this video I'm going to be going over how to run a Bukkit Minecraft server on a Linux based operating system. So to get started we're going to want to go get the latest recommended build of Bukkit. So to do this you're going to want to go to bukkit.org, and then over here under craftbukkit recommended builds just click the first one and then download it by clicking right here. I already have it downloaded right here. So after you download it, move it to your desktop. And just to make things a bit simpler, you're going to want to rename it. So then it just says craftbukkit.jar. So get rid of the version number and all that stuff. So once you have your craftbukkit.jar, you're going to want to make a new folder. Call it whatever you want. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to call it server, just to be simple about it. And then what your new server folder, and then put your craftbukkit.jar into your server folder. When that's in there, you're going to want to open up your terminal by either going to Applications, Accessories, and Terminal, or hitting Control, Alt, and T to open your terminal. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move to the server folder directory, so then you can have this server directory. Now, to do this, you're just going to go into your terminal and type cd as in change directory, and by default it is in your home directory, in your username directory actually. So you're just going to go cd desktop, and then you're going to want to change the directory to your server. Just like that. So now I'm in my server, and just as if you were in Windows creating a run.bat, I'm going to paste in this code right here. And this code basically means that it's going to run a Java command. This is how much RAM it's going to give the extractable jar file, which this is the jar, and it's going to run it under a no GUI, meaning that it's not going to be graphical, it's just going to be sticking in the terminal. So you can change your RAM if you would like to. For example, 124 megabytes is equal to a gigabyte of RAM. If I wanted it to have 2 gigs, I would just go right here, remove it, and type 148, which is equal to 2 gigs. So now, when I run my server, it is going to have 2 gigs of memory. Now, I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to run my server just how I would like it to. And there I go. It creates all the files I need, it runs my server, creating the spawn, just like it does on Windows, and etc. So, that's how you do it. You can then get into configuring and all that stuff as you please. Hope you have a good day. I hope this helped you in some sort of way. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.